Here is a method for arranging the wire in the track that can be applied to Y splitting cables, power injection cables, and even power boosters. When coming right to left, we will first add the first section of our Y onto the main line. Then take the other end of the Y and continue the connection to the main line. So our main line is now connected and has one additional offshoot for you to add in your power injector or a linking cable to a dormer, wherever you need to go. It's important when working with this much extra wire that you make sure that the end result of your wire management never has a cable connection over a light. That will make the brackets or the mounting track not fit over the track. Working from one side to the other, you're going to fold the wiring in on itself and settle it into the track. It might have a tendency to flip back up on you. Just keep it pressed down. You can use a zip tie if you want. But when you push the track in, as long as it's in relatively the right position, it'll smash back down. From there, take your next connection, do the same thing. Flip it in. Now you have a light, a connection, and a light. And then your offshoot, this new Y adapter, this new cable to your linking cable or power injection, can now freely be moved downstream, down the track, out through a hole in the track, and onto the next feature.